Lymphatic system. Now basically, what is this lymphatic system? You know about the blood circulation, the arterial system, the venous system. Now what is this lymphatic system? Lymphatic system, if you listen to the definition, it is basically an accessory route by which the fluids can flow from the interstitial space into the blood. So just repeat the definition once again. It is an accessory route by which fluids can flow from the interstitial space into the blood. So basically what happens here is, if here you have a blood vessel, here or everywhere you have the interstitial space or the cells. So whatever fluid now comes out from these cells and tissues into the interstitial space it cannot accumulate there in the normal situation. All these fluids which have reached in this interstitial space now needs to go back into the blood circulation, and that route through which this interstitial fluid goes back into the blood is through this lymphatic system. So basically, lymphatic system, that's why we call it as an accessory route. An accessory route where this fluids which from these cells and tissues which has reached the interstitial space, which needs to go back to the blood vessel, is going to go through this accessory route, which is the lymphatic system. Now look at the second point. All the tissues in the body will have the lymphatic channels or the lymphatic system except the CNS and the cornea. The CNS and the cornea doesn't have the lymphatic system. Rest everywhere in your body, this interstitial fluids which has come out from different organs and blood vessels, all of them, instead of accumulating there, needs to go back to the blood. It is going to be through this. Now you can see that the right lymph duct opens into the right subclavian vein, and the thoracic duct, if you see, opens into the left subclavian vein. So I want these 2 points to be reinforced. The right lymph duct opens into the right subclavian vein, and the thoracic duct opens into the left subclavian vein.